Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my mystical wish cowl. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the wattle stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To begin, we need to make chains in the multiple of 3 for how long we want our cowl. I'm going to make 183 chains for my example cowl. So like I said, you would make chains in the multiple of 3 for how long you want your cowl, and I made 183 chains for my example cowl. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 chain, and then make 1 double crochet into this same chain where you made your single crochet. So all together, that's going to be a single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into the same chain. So we're now going to start our sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 chains into the next one, make that single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into the same chain. You're now going to repeat this sequence. Skip 2 chains, then into the next one, make a single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that chain together until you have 4 chains left in this row. When you get to the end of your row and you have those 4 chains left, you're going to skip 2 like we have been doing, and then into this next one you're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and then into the last chain of this row you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to be making the same stitches that we made in row 1. We're just going to be working into these chain 1 spaces until we reach the last stitch of this row. So we're going to work into this chain 1 space, making that single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Skip to the next chain 1 space. So these are stitches. So this is that next chain 1 space right here. You're going to make that single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Skip to the next chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Now, like I said, you're going to continue this sequence of single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into any previous chain space across until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you reach the last stitch of this row, work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 2. You would now repeat row 2 for how wide you want your cowl. I'm going to continue on and come back when I am done with the body of my cowl. So this is how my cowl is looking. I ended up making 15 rows total for how wide I wanted my cowl. Once you get to how many rows you want for your cowl, you are going to fasten off and leave a long yarn tail so you can sew up the ends of your cowl. I typically use a slip stitch to sew up the ends of my cowl with a crochet hook just down the seams. Now you can leave your cowl like this where it is flat, or what you can do is take the end of your cowl and flip it over, and then you can sew down the edges to bring them together or join them, and then it is going to leave a twist in your cowl, which gives it a infinity cowl feel. This is typically what I do for my example cowls if anyone is interested. So this is how my Mystical Wish cowl turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.